Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. In computers chapter 3, that is formulas and functions was going on. This chapter was explained. Today we will do few exercises. So let's get started. So let's start with fill in the blank. First is formulas are used to perform dash. As you know, formulas हमारे क्यों use होते हैं? To make calculations. So the right answer is calculation. Second is a formula always begins with a dash sign. As we know, formula starts with an equals to sign. So the right answer is equals to. Third is the cell address in a formula is also called dash. As we know, the cell address, that is A1, B1, A2, these are called cell references. So the right answer is cell reference. Fourth is the cell address in a formula that does not change on copying is called as dash. As we know, if we want, this formula should change automatically when it is copied, and that is called relative reference. But if we put the dollar sign and it does not change, then that is called absolute reference. So the right answer is absolute reference. Fifth is, to use the sheet reference, you need to enter sheet number, dash and dash. As you know, for using the sheet reference, we have to put an exclamation mark and cell address. So these are the right answers. Now see the sixth is, dash are input to functions which accept values as number of dash. As we know, कोई भी फंक्शन है हमारा, सम फंक्शन है, एवरेज फंक्शन है, वी हैव टू गिव सम आर्ग्यूमेंट्स इन द ब्रैकेट. ब्रैकेट में हम कुछ उसमें आर्ग्यूमेंट्स देते हैं. लाइक हमने सम हमें चाहिए, देन A2 to A7 का हमें सम चाहिए, तो A2 to A7 इज रिटन इन द ब्रैकेट एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट. सो द राइट आंसर इज आर्ग्यूमेंट. Arguments are input to the function. हमें functions का एक input हम देते हैं, that is called argument. Seventh is, a function must be followed by opening and closing dash. Opening and closing brackets, you know na? Brackets are also called parentheses. So the right answer is parentheses. Now see the true false. First is, formulas must begin with question mark sign. As we know, formula must begin with equal to sign, not with this sign. So this is false. Second is, in absolute referencing. Absolute referencing, which one? That is used where cell value, cell address do not change. जहाँ पे change नहीं होता, that is absolute reference. Relative में क्या होता है? Change हो जाता है जब हम copy करते हैं formula को. So in absolute referencing, the relative position of rows and columns changes. यहाँ पे ये क्या कह रहा है? Changes. Change absolute reference में नहीं होता, so this is false. Third is, combined reference is a type of cell reference. As we know, there is no kind of combined reference. ठीक है, combined reference नहीं है, that is mixed reference. जब हम relative और absolute को साथ में use करते हैं, then that is called mixed reference. So this is false. Fourth is, in absolute referencing, dollar sign is used before the cell references. Yes, this is true. हम लोग डॉलर साइन का यूज करते हैं, और अगर हम लोग डॉलर साइन का यूज करते हैं, then that is called absolute referencing. So this is true. Fifth is, a range can be used in a formula. Yes, a range we use in a formula A2 to A7 या B2 to B7. So this is true. Sixth is, sheet tab cannot be renamed. This is false. We can rename. हमारी sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, these are the default names, and we can change the names of these sheets according to our choice. Now the seventh is, sum function is used to find sum of values. As we know, sum function is used. If we want to find the sum of values, then we use sum function. So this is true. Now let us see the ABQs. First is, a sports teacher has measured the height of the students in a class. Soumya has been given the assignments to find the maximum and minimum height of the students. Suggest the function which she should use to accomplish the task. As we know, max function is used to get the maximum number out of the given number, and min function is used to get the minimum number given from the list. So here we will use max function and min function. These are the right answers. Second question is, Miss Priya and her friends got a raise of 10% in their salary. Find the total amount if the present salary is rupees 15,000. Calculate the salary by using the formula. As we know, if we want to get the raise of 10%, then firstly what we will do? We will calculate the 10% from 15,000. So what we will do? 15,000 multiplied by 10 and divide by 100. Here what you will get? You will get the 10% of 15,000, that is 1500. And then you will add the 1500 with this value. So 1500 plus 15,000 and you will get 16,500. Okay, this is the answer. Now see the MCQs. First is, to use the sheet reference, which address is appropriate out of the following options? As you know, if we want to use sheet reference, we have to write sheet number and then exclamation mark and then the cell address. So sheet 1, then this sign and D4. This is the right answer. Second question is, which key combination is used to get the total of adjacent cells, means continuous cells? As we know, हमें अगर continuous cells का total निकालना है, then we can press alt plus equal to on the keyboard. So the right answer is alt plus equal to. Third is, which function finds the largest number in a range? Largest means maximum number. So the right answer is max function. Max function से क्या होता है? हमारी जो बहुत सारे numbers हमें दिए हुए हैं, we will find the largest value out of those numbers. Okay. Fourth question is, which function returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor? Means कौन से फंक्शन से हमारा रिमाइंडर हमें मिलता है? हमने कोई नंबर अगर किसी नंबर से डिवाइड किया, देन विच फंक्शन इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर? रिमाइंडर किससे आएगा? फॉर दैट वी यूज द mod फंक्शन. mod फंक्शन इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर. नाउ द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज, which of the given cell reference can be included in relative reference? रिलेटिव रेफरेंस इज नॉर्मल जो आप लोग रेफरेंसिंग करते हो, जिसमें हमारी वैल्यू जब हम फॉर्मूला को कॉपी करते हैं, देन द फॉर्मूला चेंजेस हो जाता है हमारा ऑटोमेटिकली. जब हम लोग फॉर्मूला को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कॉपी करते हैं तो वो अपनी पोजीशन के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो जाता है. सो दैट इज नॉर्मल सेल रेफरेंसिंग, दैट इज A3. सो द राइट आंसर इज A3.
So children, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.